Hi, I'm Amy Schmidt with Dinner Board with what to make this week. 5 great, quick and easy dinner recipe ideas. Recipe number 1, cilantro shrimp salad. I first had this on the boardwalk in New Jersey. I know, what fool orders a salad on the boardwalk? There's zeppelis, there's sausage and peppers, there's burgers, there's these amazing fries, but it was so hot that day, all I wanted was a salad, and I'm so glad I had it. It's lettuce, pre-cooked shrimp, onion, corn, and delicious cilantro lime salad dressing for a really light, easy summer dinner. Recipe number 2, flatbread tostadas. Taco has a cousin and its name is flatbread tostada. This recipe is super easy. It's a pita with refried beans and something unique this week, plant-based meat. I've been dying to give it a try, and so I did. I snuck it in. I didn't tell anybody what it was. After they ate, I broke the news that they had had something new and different, and everyone loved it. So follow along on my blog to find out my thoughts about it and why I think you should try plant-based meat as well. Recipe number 3, roast beef Sammies with crispy fried onions. I know it doesn't take a rocket scientist to make a roast beef sandwich, but we pair this with a smoky mayo and crispy fried onions. And these are the crispy fried onions that you find on the green bean casserole at Thanksgiving. And I think maybe the only reason anybody eats the green bean casserole. So we use it as a topping on this sandwich, but we also use it as a topping on smash burgers. And my son eats it like he does potato chips as a snack. Recipe number 4, sausage broccolini sheet pan. I love anything on a sheet pan. It's quick, it all cooks together, and cleanup is a snap. This week I used smoky cheddar sausage, broccolini, and mushroom. And stay tuned at the end, I have a little gossip about broccolini. And recipe number 5 is panzanella. Italian mamas made up this recipe to use up their stale bread by soaking it in tomato and its juices. And I have to say my family loves this. I make it year round, but it's best in the summer with sun-kissed tomatoes. It's from SeriousEats.com, which is one of my favorite sites, and I hope you try it out. And now to the gossip about broccolini. I thought broccolini was broccoli's Italian cousin. It turns out, no, it's not. It is a Chinese cousin. So it is related by being a mix of broccoli and Chinese broccoli, which is actually more like kale. And broccoli rabe is not related to either one. It's actually from the turnip family. Who knew? How's that for gossip? So thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more dinner board ideas. Thanks for watching.